W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a snow scene. To draw the snow scene, we only need 4 basic lines and shapes. An arc, a circle, a line, and a zigzag. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? The first thing we're going to put on our snow scene will be the trees. So we're going to draw a diagonal line right about here, and then another line here. So it kind of looks like an arrow there, almost like we're going to do a triangle, except at the bottom we are going to make an arc like this. Now it looks like a cone or a slice of pizza. Next, we're going to draw 2 more of those over here. So a line down, another line down, and then an arc. And then we'll draw 1 more of these right over here. A line down, another line down, and an arc. So now that we have these shapes in place, we're going to draw an arc right over here, and we're going to start building the ground. We're going to have a sloping ground going right here, and then back here. So follow along with an arc right here, and then stop. And then we'll continue that arc on the other side of the tree. So start here, and then we'll go to here with an arc. And now we're going to go the opposite direction with an arc. Like this. And we can have that arc go all the way up, just like that. Okay, next, so this looks like a big wavy line, but it goes behind the tree. Okay, next we're going to do another arc from here, and it'll go to there. Next we'll continue that arc on the other side of the tree. And then we'll have it stop here, and then we're going to continue another arc on the opposite way, and we'll go back that way. And it'll come around to here, just like that. Now we're going to make another arc right about here, and this will go over to here and stop. So it looks like some big shapes, but what we're going to start doing is defining what those shapes are. So this is a hill, and then this is another one, and this is another one, and they go back in space. So we're going to create a path now that will go from here. It will be an arc that we're going to draw. So follow along with an arc that goes to here. And then another arc from here to here. So now this path looks like it goes all the way back to this hill that goes down, and then it's going to come back around. The path will be here. So draw another arc that comes up this way. And then we can draw another arc right here. So many arcs in this drawing. So now you can see the path goes this way, and you can imagine that it goes down a hill, and then it comes back up and goes over this hill, and then it's going to go down, and it will come back up with an arc that goes up to here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make this last arc, it's going to be closer to this line. So it'll start here, and then it's going to come down to this point here. So watch this. And what that does is it makes it look like this path is getting smaller as it goes back further into the landscape. So we have a path that goes here, and it goes down the hill, which you can't see, and then it goes over the hill, and then it goes down the hill, and it goes up the hill. And I could imagine this is somebody went sledding here, and they made this path when they were going sledding, and they must have come from a very tall hill to go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh all the way through the snow. So now that we have our path and our different hills drawn, we have a few trees in place, we're going to use the zigzag. And if you know my drawings, I like to say zigzag zoo when I make zigzags. So follow along with me and we'll go zig, zag, zoo. Zig, zag, zoo. So now that makes 3 trees right there. And now we're going to do 3 more trees over here. Zig, zag, zoo. Zig, zag, zoo. And now over here we'll do 3 more trees. Zig, zag, zoo. Zig, zag, zoo. Just like that. So now we have some trees all the way in the back, some right here in the middle, and then one closer to us. This is looking very nice. So now we're going to add some clouds. And clouds are going to be created with a series of arcs. So start on this side of the paper because the clouds have to be there for the snow to fall. So let's start over here with an arc. And then we'll go to here and then make another arc. And then a little arc, and then a big arc. And what I would like you to do is make a series of arcs like this and vary the sizes of the arcs. So some are big, some are small, and some are medium. Make all different size arcs, and you're making all the clouds that are in the sky. And those clouds are snow clouds. So after we finish this row of arcs, we're going to make another row that's above this. It goes across, so we'll start over here. If you need to pause the video at any point, pause the video so you can catch up. And then hit play and you can follow along again. Do these lessons at your pace. You are the artist and you are learning how to create this wonderful snow scene. So I'm just making another series of arcs, big, small. I'm varying the sizes, medium, and going all the way across the paper. Now I'm going to do just a few more down here. Maybe they're really far off in the distance. Okay, we're almost done, but we need to add some snowflakes falling on our scene here. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a bunch of little circles all over the page to make it look like the snow is falling. So anywhere you like, you can start placing circles, small tiny circles, just like this, just to make it look like the snow is falling. And you can go at your own pace. There is no right or wrong where you put these circles. You can decide where they go, because snow can fall anywhere. And maybe this isn't a big snowstorm. Maybe the big snowstorm already happened and this is just a little bit of snow that's falling afterwards. So just keep placing your circles around. Maybe there's one that's in front of the tree, over here, above here. Maybe there's two. There's another one down here. And these are just falling from the sky, from the clouds. And this is looking great. We are almost done. Maybe a few down here. Look at this beautiful snow scene we created. Great job following along, everyone. Now, if you enjoyed this drawing, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye! For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.